now I'm going to do a little detail work. We're going to come over, we're going to hit the cable incline. All right, this will finish off our incline work for the upper chest. So we're going to hit a cable incline. You'll see the bench is set up right in the middle. Once I get in my position, I'll kind of tell you which way I'm going to do it. Still, same exact technique. Nothing ever changes. We're contracting the muscle as hard as we can, and we're squeezing, all right? So go ahead and get set here. Reach out, grab this one. So a lot of people use handles. I like to grab it by the base. I can just, takes a little bit of stress off my bicep when I come up. It's just a little better feel for me, all right? You can do either way you want, but for me, this is my preference here, all right? So, laying on back, same technique. Feet underneath the knees. Track the shoulder blades. Now, from the bottom, got a slight bend in the elbow here. Not quite 90, not quite all the way out. I'll put a little slight bend in there. Now, from the bottom, I'm going to contract the chest and lift with the chest, not the arms. Here, ready? Contract and squeeze. Pause, contract, squeeze, lift. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Lower it with the chest. Contract, squeeze, lift. Squeeze. If you pick the weight stack, you'll see there's only probably 5-10 pounds on there. Like I said, I don't have an ego. Contract. It's a good warm-up set. I'll get into my working sets. We'll go right into it, all right? We'll move it up just a little bit, make it a little bit more challenging, put a little bit more overload on the pecs. All right, let's get it.